You know, it's a good thing it's a Halloween themed drink because that looks like a scary mess.
I'm DJ Purpose.
And I'm DJ Unique, and we are the Fan Mob DJs.
We're the Fan Mob DJs, and we're coming at you with another drink recipe, which has been a while since we've done one.
Yeah, but just in time for Halloween, though.
Exactly, and this is a drink that can double not only for Halloween, but it can also be switched into Christmas, but we'll get into that later.
So today we're going to make a drink called the Green Monster.
Green Monsters are like incredibly easy to make, but they are super delicious. I have yet to meet someone that doesn't like it, so we're going to jump in and get this thing going.
So what's in it?
First, let's start with ingredients. Usually you would use lime sherbet, but good luck finding it. I couldn't find it, so we went with rainbow sherbet. It doesn't matter, but lime sherbet stays with the theme of green. Okay. Limeade. Just get a frozen can of limeade and make it like you normally would, and we're going to add that to the mix as we go, as well as 7-Up. And
the alcohol that's going to go in is vodka.
Vodka, and you can choose whatever vodka. We had Smirnoff, so we're just using that, but you can use whatever you want. So while he's stirring up the limeade, I'm going to go ahead and open up the sherbet. And there we go. And as you can see, not lime, but that works. I'm going to use that cup. So then we're going to scoop, and I probably should let this thaw a little bit. Okay, so now we have the sherbet in the bowl, and we're using kind of a smaller bowl. Normally you would use just a whole quart.
Like a punch bowl?
Yeah, normally you use a punch bowl. This is kind of a smaller bowl. We're going to transport it somewhere, so we're taking this somewhere. But we usually use a whole quart of sherbet. We're just using about half that for this right now. So now we're just going to go ahead and add lime juice and 7-Up. And the neat thing about this is you really don't need ice. You might need ice later on in the night, but when you first make the punch, you don't because of the sherbet. So we went equal parts lime juice, equal parts 7-Up. And now, this is my favorite part. I don't know about you guys, but
Right.
And then we just pour to taste. Okay, so basically, there it is. You have your punch. We have sherbet in there. We have 7-Up in there, limeade, and then, of course, vodka. Very simple, very easy to drink. You want to give it a shot? We're actually we're taking this to a party, so we're just gonna try a little bit, but yeah, it's good. There you go. Cheers.
All right.
So if you do have lime sherbet, here's the great thing. During the holidays, like during Christmas and stuff like that, if you want to change, the recipe's the same, but if it would actually be green, then you can call it a Grinch punch or stuff like that. So it's kind of versatile. You don't just have to use it for Halloween. You can use the raspberry sherbet and call it a bloody mess during Halloween, and then
I kind of like how it's pink, and you could like
for Valentine's Day.
If
you wanted to do it,
or even like Easter, like it's like one of those marshmallow peeps.
It's like exactly. So like it's a year-round drink. You can do this any time of year, but I always make it during Halloween because I just think it's Green Monsters. It's cool, or bloody mess. So here's a pro tip though. You probably see, like if you go out to restaurants or at parties and stuff, people like to put dry ice into their drink. Being a bartender, and you've done, for as long as I've done it, you realize that anything you put into that drink changes the composition of that drink and the flavor. Some people aren't going to notice it, but I notice it right away. So if you want to have that decorative overflow of the dry ice effect, just put cups of stuff behind it and let it spill over into the table and around, rather than put it in the drink, because it changes the drink. Let's get this packed up and let's get to where we're going so that we can drink it.
What's your guys' favorite punch?
Yeah, if you have a favorite punch, just go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe, and hopefully all your friends will like this as well.
All right, we'll see you in the next video.
We will. Jesus. This is going to be a blooper reel.